It's here! The new Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm natural titanium. And let's open it. Very adventurous artwork. Very interesting. So that's the first like a little manual piece. And here's the watch case. That's the band. So we opted for the trail loop, which is in the blue color. And here's the watch. Let's open it. So that's the watch, and this I believe is the charger. The quality of the paper looks very low grade now. It's not like that pure white that it used to be. So the cord is the new one. The rest of it is the same. So that's the charging cable. And here's the watch, Ultra 3. Wow. Let's switch it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to the setup stage, and I will resume the video back once it's all set up. Also, let's open the strap. So those are just the instructions of how to put it on. Love the quality of it actually, it's very nice, very premium, very high quality. Alright, so let's come back once we have set up the watch. Bye-bye. Apple calls it the most rugged and advanced watch they've ever made. But is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 worth it? Today I will walk you through my review, my top 5 favorite features, and as a bonus, some settings you must try if you own this watch. And yes, we will keep it simple, clean and hands-on. The Ultra 3 keeps Apple's iconic rugged look, but refines it further. The 49mm titanium case is still here, tough but surprisingly light. But the real star is the brighter 3000 nits display. Whether you're under harsh sunlight, hiking at altitude, or just outdoors at a cafe, this display punches through like no other smartwatch. For me, this display alone makes the Ultra 3 stand out. It's not just bright, it's crisp, responsive, and built both for everyday and extreme use. One of my biggest wins with the Ultra 3, battery life. You get up to 36 hours on normal use and up to 72 in low power mode. That's double than what you'd get on a Series 10. And in my real use, emails, workouts, GPS tracking, I consistently got 2 full days without worrying about a charger. This is where the Ultra 3 shines. GPS accuracy is crazy precise, even in dense city streets. The new heart rate sensor is faster to pick up during intense workouts, and if you're into swimming, diving, or trekking, the Ultra has exclusive features like depth sensing and dual frequency GPS. Honestly, it's like having a fitness coach on your wrist. Inside the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is powered by the new S9 SiP chip. It makes everything faster. Apps load instantly, animations feel smoother, and dictation is so much better now. Plus, it enables that new double tap gesture, which is actually super handy. I'll admit, I thought the double tap would be a gimmick, but it's surprisingly useful when your hands are full. One of my favorite upgrades this year isn't actually the watch itself, it's the new Trail Loop. I got the blue one, and honestly, it's the most comfortable Apple Watch band I've ever worn. Apple designed this for athletes and explorers, but it works perfectly as an everyday band too. It's super lightweight, made of smooth against your skin. You barely feel it's there, even after wearing it all day. What I really like is the pull tab design. It makes adjustments so easy, whether I'm tightening it for a workout or loosening it while I'm at my desk. It's one quick move, no fumbling with clasps or metal links. And this blue color, it's subtle but fresh. It has that perfect balance of sporty and minimal. It pops just enough without being flashy. Also, the material dries fast, so sweat or rain isn't an issue. That pop of orange, the crown, and the action button, it's such a signature Ultra vibe. And if you've got the new iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange, the match is just perfect. Rugged meets refined. Same energy, same attitude. These are my top 5 favorite features that make the Ultra 3 stand out for me. Battery life. In just 15 minutes of charging, you can get up to 12 hours of normal use. Action button customization. The action button is my quick trigger for workouts. One press and I'm tracking my workouts instantly. It's small, but it makes the watch feel truly mine. I love waking up to my sleep score. It breaks down how well I actually rested, not just how long I slept. Simple but super insightful. The sleep score gives a clear breakdown of sleep quality from duration to recovery, making it easy to track overall rest and recovery. Brighter display, 3000 nits. That 3000 nit display is insanely bright. Even under harsh sunlight, it stays sharp and vivid. You never have to squint to read your stats. And these bonus settings will help you transform your Ultra 3 from just a smartwatch into a serious adventure tool. Wayfinder Red Night Mode. Twist the crown on the Wayfinder face to switch to Red Night Mode, or just switch on and off the light to see how easy it is on the eyes in low light or the bright ones. Flashlight modes. The flashlight is in basic. Swipe to switch between white, strobe, and red for visibility or emergencies. Finding the iPhone with the ping on your phone has never been easier. Use the ping iPhone and it will perfectly help you find your phone no matter where it is around you. It will guide you as you walk towards it, and you can play sounds and flashlights too. Double tap for time. Double tap to check the time or scroll through widgets. No screen touch needed.
10:54 p.m.
Double tap gesture. Double tap is one of those features you don't know you need until you use it. Answering calls or pausing music completely hands-free.
But nothing ever stops you. Even quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own.
So that's my review of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 with my favorite features and must-try settings. If you're on Series 9 or older, this upgrade is definitely worth considering, especially if you love the outdoors or just want the best Apple Watch experience. If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite Apple Watch feature. See you in the next one.